might have been onto something. We're hiking down some rugged terrain to an arm of Flaming Gorge that we thought might hold some fish, but there's not much of a creek flowing into it, so we might try to get down there anyway, but I don't think we're going to have any success here at all. Something big again. I don't know what's going on with me here. I'm not sure I'm hooking burbot or not, but I've had some flies. Wow, look at this fish. This is a beauty. It's going to be a trout. I don't know what it took, but it's a hell of a nice fish. So this made the hike worthwhile. I'd sure like to release him though. Yeah, he took a brown woolly bugger. Beautiful fish. Big rainbow. Let's get him. Beautiful fish. That's got to be a good 20-22 inches. Let's see if we can pop that out right away and we'll get him on his way. There you go, little guy. Here's another nice fish. I don't think he's as big as that skinny rainbow that I just caught, but it's a strong fish anyway. Yeah, no, he's a small one. That's another little rainbow. Oh, and this one took the pupa that I'm trailing behind the brown woolly bugger. Whoa, is he strong? Yeah, this one's a much healthier fish. Let's get him in. He's just about a foot long. Nice fish. I'll take that back. Let's say 14. Yeah, that's a beauty. We're struggling back out of the canyon. Definitely not a place to break a leg. They'd probably find us next summer. It was fun. Probably landed half dozen rainbows, a couple of smallmouth bass, and had several other ones played and struck, and had 3 fish actually clipped the fly off just as soon as it was hooked. So I don't know what that was. The only thing I can think of in this lake that's toothy enough would be a burbot, but they usually aren't in this shallow, so I'm not sure what the story was. Anyway, there was plenty of good fishing down there. The dog and I are doing what used to be a regular walk with our old dog Sky down to the river from the spillway parking lot. I'm actually not going down to the dam at the moment. It's too early in the day and the dog needs some exercise. Don't want to leave her in the car, so it's super hot out too. I've never had much luck here. The water's too flat and it's really howling wind, so we're going to try a streamer with a little trailer and see if that's at all successful. Maybe the wind will die down, you know, around 6 o'clock tonight as we're headed home. We'll just find out in a minute. Well, I got my first hookup. Whoa, look at him come up. It's got to be a rainbow, I suspect. It's about a 4th time he's jumped. This is actually the second cast we've made. We've walked down about 1.5 miles, and we've got a fisherman down below us and one up above us, but let's see if we can get this fish in and see what it really looks like. So, oops, it's off. Yeah, it was a nice rainbow. That's good. It's 7 o'clock on Tuesday morning. Bluey and I are headed on our normal walk, about 3 to 4 miles up from Little Hole. Don't know how we'll do today. I was a lousy fisherman yesterday, and I hope I'll be better today. We know they like cicadas, so I'm going to try that with a little trailer and see if it does a trick this morning. Wow, there he went. It's been a struggle this morning, I'll admit it. Oh, there he goes again. I've hooked and played a couple fish. Wow, there he goes again. I had no success at all on the cicada so far. Finally turned to a little comparative,
And I've been missing strikes as usual, but let's see if we can get this brown in and at least claim something for the day. And we'll hope it gets better. Fish are finally waking up, and now it's around 5:09. Hard to see the fly on the water, and boy, with that wind blowing downstream, it's a killer. Let's see if we can get this guy in and get him off. Not a big fish, probably about 14. Strong note. There he comes. There we go.
Ooh, nice rainbow on now. I have to admit, I haven't had a lot of success this morning. I've been screwing up by the numbers, and the wind blowing downstream has just been awful. Let's get this little guy in. Take a picture of him. Yeah, he's a nice fish. Ooh, he jumps. Yep, that's a good fish. Very pretty. We'll get you off, little one. Yeah, that's a nice fat fish. That's another nice rainbow on. Not big. It's got to be about 14, I guess. It's not a rainbow. Favorite old browns. It's not clear. Yeah, that's a good fish. And I gotta look at him. I just nose hooked him. Yep, it's gonna be a good 16. Very pretty fish. And we got another one that's gonna be a brown. I can see his white mouth. I think. No, by gosh, it's a rainbow. I'll be damned. Good fish, too. Yeah, that's a beauty. Didn't fight like a champ, but that's okay. We'll take him anyway. Yep, that's a good 16-inch fish. Now, this is fascinating. Casting downstream in an eddy. I've got a rainbow on now. It's about a foot long, but a big brown had swum up behind it and was sitting there for like a couple minutes just watching the fly. The rainbow races in and takes it right out of its mouth. That wasn't very nice. The brown was twice as large. But we'll take a fish anyway. Down on this beach section trying to stand up with the wind that's howling at us. The only one happy here is Bluey, who's wallowing in the stream like a hippopotamus. She likes it. I don't have a chance here, so I think we're going to give up on the green for this trip. Even trying to fish the C section would be impossible because the wind's howling in the same direction. So much for this river this year. I don't know if we'll come back again or not. We just got back to the White River. I thought I'd get a shutout tonight again. Put on a little rubber leg, yellowish type thing and a pupa trailing. Finally hooked a little rainbow. Actually, it's not a little one. It's got to be a good foot long. Louie won't come down to the stream because I think she just saw a moose, so she's hiding by the car. Let me see if I can get this rainbow off. Try to catch another fish. That's highly likely given the nature of the wind today. It's just that's a good fish. Not huge, but strong, fat, and 8 inches or so. Well, that's a goodie. There's another surprise. The fish took the fly. Pupa doesn't hit the water. And it's not a big fish, but we're happy with it today. I just can't believe the goddamn wind. It's beyond comprehension. We have red flag warnings all the way through the state, and it's destroying the fishing. But we'll give it one more shot here in the catch and keep water and try to get
down to the catch and release water tomorrow and hope the wind calms down at least for a few hours. Well, I don't know where this one came from, but it's a whitey. I don't really want a whitey right now, but we'll take it, I guess. We'll get her off in a hurry. I don't know how it caught up with a fly. The wind's blowing so hard. I would say Bluey's not a big fan of sheep. No. Bluey knows. Stop it. Well, here's the problem with nymphing early in the morning. Nothing's coming up. I figure I have to be on the bottom, but lo and behold, what do you get right away? And it's going to be these things all day, I'm afraid. I think you're cute, but I really don't want to catch many of you today. Thank you, little whitey. I'll try to get you off in a hurry. Well, so far the whiteys have been relentless. I mean, these are big, fat fish, maybe 3 pounds, but they're not a lot of fun. I don't want to lose another nymph to one either, so let's get this hog off and try something else. Well, there's no question about what this fish is. I just don't think I'm going to get him in. He was sipping something in the film here, and I managed to hook him, but I'm afraid he's got me wound around a rock out in the middle of the river. So I think this one's going to be a lost cause too. He did take the rubber leg WRS, but I'm hung up out there, so he's wrapped me around a rock. That's going to be the end of that. Boy, it's a big fish. I would guess 22, 23 inches long. Won't have a chance. I'm going to have to release the line and see if he can take me off, but we'll see what happens. I'll shut this down and see if there's a way to get him loose. Well, for some reason that fish is still on. I'm going to try to get him over here. Oh, it's a big fish. Look at the size of this thing. Good God. It's not a steelhead, but it might as well be. Boy, is that a big, strong fish. Whoa. Come here, little one. Okay, let's get him. Whoa, there he goes again. Oh boy, what a fish. This thing's got to weigh a good 4 pounds. That's, oh, wow, wow. Oh, there he goes. He's getting tired, but so am I. Oh. Boy, maybe he's not tired. Oh, there he goes. It is a steelhead. Oh man, what a nice fish. Well, I'm happy to at least hook one this morning. Let's see if we can get that guy closer. All I want to do is get him off. Boy, is that a big fish. It's not as big as I thought. I'd say that's maybe 20. Good God, it's fat though. Oh. Oh. Come on over. I'll get you loose in a second. I'm going to put this camera down. That's enough photos. Wow, here's another good one. It's really tough fishing. It's real. Let's see if we can get this guy close enough to see him. I'm not having a lot of success. I can catch whitefish right and left, but these rainbows, finally got another one from an eddy. This one looks to be maybe 16 or 18. He took a number 16 black-bodied WRS. Sitting, oh boy, is he strong. They're all strong. I'm not sure he's going to come in easy. I better put the camera down and see if I can play this one in. Yep, that's another nice hog of a rainbow. I hope I can get that fly out easily. Whoa! Yeah, I think I'm going to be able to do it. Let's just get a little picture of him and we'll let him loose. Well, I'm at a loss to how to avoid hooking whitefish, and I'm not having any success. Had a mayfly. Oh, there it goes off. That's good. He did it by himself. Hallelujah. Oh, goody. Here's another normal sized rainbow. It's actually gotten to be better fishing. Oh, whoa, whoa. This guy's just about a foot long, but my lord, they're strong. Yeah, let's get him in, get him off right away. He took the black-bodied WRS too, so when they can see it, they'll take it, which is a good thing. Oh, here's another abnormal size rainbow. Boy, just put on a white rubber leg WRS and been casting here. I've been catching a few fish out here, and this guy's, oh, there he goes. Oh, yeah, it's a dandy. Let's see if we'll get him over here and get a picture. Yeah, that's a beautiful fish again. Boy, they're strong. I can't get over that. I keep saying the same thing over and over, but the fish in this stream are big and powerful, and here he comes. There he goes. Whoa, baby, whoa. I know that fly's tied on, so let's see if we can get you in. Get you off that hook. Oh. Boy, they're strong fish. I guess size matters. This one's about 18. Oh. Come on, big boy. Daddy's getting tired too. You're tired, I'm tired. Boy, is that a nice fish. Look at the size of that thing. Just heavy as can be. Heavy body. Okay, let's get him off. Let's get him off. Or her.